Welcome to another episode of the Popcorn Hour. I am Shantanu. This is
Akanksha.
very well.
I got my name right.
Akanksha.
I'm Akanksha.
Akanksha, and we have with us Bollywood trivia enthusiast, film buff, Bollywood fan, internet personality. Pulkit Kochar in the house. Hello. Give it up.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Give it
thank you.
up.
Thank you for that intro.
Thank you for stopping by on your multiple podcast journey. जब आप हर स्टॉप पे उधर ट्रेन स्टॉप पे उधर के एक पॉडकास्ट करके अगली ट्रेन पकड़ते हो.
Thank you. No, it's very coincidental कि एक साथ सब रिलीज हो जाते हैं और फिर ऐसा लगता है कि भाई तो रोज लाइक
यही कहते हैं।
नहीं बट देखिए छोटे ठाकुर साहब ये
नहीं,
एक फेवर भी है, ठीक है. जब बड़ा आदमी यहाँ पे आता है तो हम दोनों हाथ जोड़
अरे,
के
नहीं,
देखते
नहीं,
हैं
नहीं, नहीं।
कैमरा की तरफ और आपकी तरफ
नहीं,
और
नहीं।
जय करते हैं
ऐसे
जैसे
नहीं
राहुल
है।
रायचंद करता था to his grandfather who looked like a foreigner in that wall on that portrait.
Which movie is this?
K3 जी
Oh,
अमिताभ बच्चन
Rahul
keeps telling-
Raichan
हाँ,
watching.
keeps telling him ना जय करो दादाजी को
Yeah,
जय
yeah,
करो
yeah.
and दादाजी is a white man.
He looks German.
माउंट बैटन की फोटो है वहां पे.
He's standing like that.
बर्मिंघम पैलेस में माउंट बैटन की फोटो को दादाजी को जय करो और वो 6 उंगली ले गया बेटा एक छोटा और
बट साउंड्स लेजेंड क्योंकि वो इंडिया में तो शूट भी नहीं हुई लगती
Yeah,
तो
बट
yeah.
somehow 10
चांदनी
मिनट
चौक है
10
भाई।
मिनट का ड्राइव है चांदनी चौक भाई वहां पे.
भाग के
वहाँ पे उसी देश के प्रॉप्स मिलेंगे ना वहीं की फोटोज जहाँ पे भी शूट हुई है वो पता नहीं जहाँ भी
उधर लटकी हुई थी नीचे।
Yeah, I
Shooting
think.
like-
आकांक्षा बता ना क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हो.
आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे वियर्ड प्लॉट्स जैसे
Yes.
बॉलीवुड मूवी में व्हाट इज वियर्ड अबाउट द प्लॉट दैट इज समथिंग वी विल डिस्कस एंड व्हाई वी लव इट व्हाई द वियर्डनेस लाइक देयर इज सम क्रेजी सस्पेंशन ऑफ डिसबिलीफ ना कभी कभी देखते और लगता है
Definitely.
मस्त लग रहा है देख के इट्स फुल क्रेजी बट मस्त लग रहा है
आई तो मिस
So we-
दोस काइंड ऑफ मूवीज
I really miss it,
मतलब
yeah.
मतलब बड़े हुए हैं पुनर्जन्म पे और ये सब डबल रोल पे सब मजे
मर
आते
के
हैं
कोई वापस आ रहा है लाइक
इस जगह पे मैं पहले आ चुका हूँ
Yes.
वाला जो एनर्जी होता है
इन्वर्टेड फ्लैशबैक
ये मुझे
इन्वर्टेड इमेज
ये मुझे
या हाँ no but
वेरी गुड यार.
clearly not an actor हाँ but we're discussing weird plots ठीक है
Yes,
so
yes.
whoever this is the thing we do Pulkit whoever has an answer puts their hand up
हम बहुत ही मचौर पॉडकास्ट है ये हम क्लास 7B से निकले नहीं हैं हम अभी भी. हम भी गोल्ड स्टार ब्लैक स्टार डालना शुरू.
वेट फॉर योर टर्न यू डिड इट फर्स्ट ओके
yeah it's a very orderly show
हाँ.
You wanna tell first? Go first. Wow, peer pressure works in this
This is
podcast.
school how the teacher is like you who's not answering
ठीक है मेरा हाथ आ
है,
गया. So we are starting with one movie where the plot is weird and
weird and we'll talk about it.
simple answer. हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं.
Oh,
पापा मैं पापा बन गया.
हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं. I think if I'm not wrong is a Satish Kaushik directorial.
Yes.
Yes, it
Feels
is.
like a South Indian movie remake
It is. It
and
is.
it's a contract kalyanam
Contract marriage.
contract marriage movie.
Yes.
Weird AF.
Yeah.
बहुत ही
Describe the
अजीब
plot,
पिक्चर
describe the
है.
plot.
This is a movie where Anil Kapoor goes to study to the US, comes back and Anupam Kher is like ये मेरा बेटा US मैंने उसको भेज के गलती कर दी क्योंकि इसके तौर तरीके बहुत ज्यादा मॉडर्न हो गए हैं.
हाँ.
और वो वापस आता है और कहता है कि चलो किसी लड़की से शादी करो. He's like हाँ बट मैं करूंगा बट कम ऑन डैड. यूएस में जो भी शादी करते हैं वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट शादी होती है. 1 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया और अगर 1 साल के बाद मैंने सोचा कि मुझे इसके साथ नहीं रहना तो मैं निकल
तो
जाऊंगा.
toodles हाँ
बस क्या I don't know.
But I also the weird part of this film is that Anil Kapoor is like playing this Casanova vibe little bit. He's like the schoolboy player.
But his mustache is
But
not
he's Anil Kapoor.
agreeing with this Casanova image, I think.
वो मिंक के साथ गाने गा रहा है. मिंक एंड हिम आर तू भी तारा
Mink
तारा.
and-
But did this ever happen in US? Like, is it a trend
मैं
that
2
I'm
साल
not
कॉलेज के
aware?
लिए गया था. I saw no contract marriage happening.
Shantanu moved there because of that. I was like, bro,
पेपर में
it's जी सिनेमा में तो कुछ और ही देखा था ये तो.
मैं एंड उसमें काजोल
Kajol.
Yeah.
is there as the she's his आई थिंक कॉर्पोरेट टर्म्स में बोला जाए तो चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ टाइप की होती है वो अनुपम खेर
Yeah,
की.
yeah, yeah.
एग्जीक्यूटिव असिस्टेंट होती है. But she is not a personal secretary. She
Yeah.
runs the company.
Yeah.
And they then he says कि you are perfect for my son, तो तुम शादी कर लो. And then the son is like, हाँ but मैं contract marriage करूंगा. And then he tells Kajol, don't worry, एक साल में तुम मेरे बेटे का दिल जीत ही लोगी.
So
जैसे
the
तुमने
onus is
मेरे-
एक्सटेंड हो जाएगा.
हाँ, extend है, don't worry बेटा. हाँ, तुम कर लो यार, देख लो.
ठीक है.
हाँ, क्योंकि like गरीब.
इट्स लाइक
वो
वन ऑफ दोस
गरीब है,
क्लाइंट्स की एक ये प्रोजेक्ट इतना में कर लो.
Exposure, ये exposure के लिए कर
एवरी
लो.
मंथ वी विल सेंड.
काफी weird HR violation. if you think about it. काफी.
हाँ, 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 हाँ. Yeah, बहुत. So then,
बहुत weird.
at the end of 1 year, she puts in all the effort, loves him and all. And he's like, देख यार, मजा तो बहुत आया, लेकिन peace.
वो तो मैं Casanova.
हाँ. And later जब वो दर दर के ठोकरे खा रही होती है, as a ये तो टेंट हो चुकी, एक साल रह के आई है, तो मार्केट में like you know what I mean, like there's
समझ
no
गया, हाँ.
there वो तब तक
2000
बाबुल नहीं बनी थी ना, तो
Remarriage is not
रीमैरिज destigmatized नहीं हुआ था at that point, like so it was very like oh नहीं, हमें तो नहीं चाहिए.
That was a weird phase of Anil Kapoor movies now that I think, because he was not sure like what's happening.
Age is even.
Who is he?
Because Badai Ho Badai, do you remember?
Yes.
Similar zone.
Yeah.
Nayak apparently was a flop and it
How
became a
sad.
hit on TV.
Nayak and Pukar were very good.
Pukar was damn good and
Santoshi sir, amazing
yes,
director.
and Nayak like for its Anurag Kashyap's dialogues in it.
Yeah.
हाँ, it was a
which I
Kejriwal
find
biopic.
It was a Kejriwal.
all that happened later. It was a writing terms में क्या बोलते हैं prediction को?
हाँ, वो जो Simpsons मारते रहते हैं,
Foreshadowing. Yes.
Foreshadowing करी थी उन्होंने.
It's that.
Shankar. It was a Shankar.
Because even that interview where he leaves midway पानी पीते,
Why,
that
I
happened
mean,
later.
It's
Yeah.
crazy.
We know which interview, but yeah.
हाँ, yeah. Lalit Modi. And Harsha Bhogle. Yeah.
Yeah, very
But
true.
yeah, it was a weird era for sure. So my answer was हमारा हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं. And just as a by the way, I want to mention हमारा दिल आपके पास है.
Yeah.
Because that was also same era of Anil. Where
ये कौन सी मूवी है? मुझे लग रहा है ये वही है.
It feels like the same film because you can lift Anil Kapoor and put him in this film and he'll look exactly
What's
the same.
yeah.
different actress
It's
ना?
with Aishwarya
Aishwarya.
Rai. But that is a weirder plot.
Puru Rajkumar sexually assaults Aishwarya Rai. Her father gets upset कि तुम sexually assault हो गई साली. So now she's not getting married. Anil Kapoor is like कोई नहीं, मेरे घर पे
He's
रह
got
ले,
complex,
बाहर
I'll
मत
save
रह,
you
तू
sex.
मेरे साथ रह सकती है, इसमें तेरी गलती नहीं है. But like kind of थोड़ा शादी वादी नहीं कर रहा है, उसको डेट भी नहीं कर रहा है, काइंड ऑफ वो खाना वाना बना रही है, लाइक थोड़ा है घर पे.
Yeah, but she's
Elevated
obviously
help.
fallen for him.
Live-in.
She's obviously
लिव इन बट नो डेटिंग. वो
अच्छा.
संत आदमी है, वो टच नहीं करता, रोमांस नहीं करता, बस शरण दी हुई है उसने, देवता टाइप का आदमी
So
है.
in the end they get married or something.
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
you
yeah,
In
get
the end he
Of course.
realizes
Oh,
when
wow.
when Puru Rajkumar comes back and says मेरे
will
को अपनी
marry.
गलती का एहसास हो गया है, शादी करनी है, दे दे,
Because it's
मेरा
Aishwarya
हक है.
Rai and all.
And he's realized that he's Puru Rajkumar and she's Aishwarya Rai.
Yeah.
तो भाई वापस बुला लो.
I need to Google Puru Rajkumar. I don't.
He's Rajkumar's son.
Oh.
हाँ.
Maybe
He's
see
the
space
बच्चा.
for you,
You know
you
how
know.
राजकुमार said ये बच्चों के खेलने की
हाँ.
चीज, वो उनका बच्चा है.
उनका.
क्यों?
But these two movies,
Yeah,
honestly,
um,
whoever's not watched it, watch it back to back. It's
Yeah.
very strange. Like you feel like it's a fever dream or something. It's very weird.
Wow.
Yeah, those are
I
my.
have-
haven't
अच्छी
seen
choice.
this one.
कोई
I
और
will-
हाथ
I
को
will.
देखना और अभी हाथ उठा लो.
हाँ.
अभी हाथ उठाना तो.
My favorite is my Malamal Weekly.
Oh, good one.
Oh,
Do you all remember that film?
yeah.
Filmy channel
Yeah.
every second day.
मेरी भैंस को अंडा क्यों
जिस दिन
मारा?
I was just saying कि जिस दिन वो फिल्म फिल्मी पे नहीं आती थी उस दिन भैंस को अंडा क्यों for Gen Z audiences there used to be a channel called Filmy by Sahara.
Yeah.
Okay, जहाँ पे फिल्में आती थी बट एक प्रोग्राम आता था मेरी भैंस को अंडा क्यों मारा which only played comedy. It's like Shimaru comedy YouTube channel
Yeah,
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 do you
yeah.
but
know?
on TV.
हाँ,
So,
Yeah.
it was the funniest. Like without songs, you get to see all the comedies,
Yeah.
and like without
Yeah.
those force fit, Hansini, all those songs in Malamal Weekly. But but what I love about like, should I tell the plot?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Basic,
must.
basic. Huh.
So one guy gets a 1 crore lottery in a small village, and just before he's about to encash it, he dies with the lottery in hand on his sofa. ऐसे. एंड नाउ धीरे धीरे लोगों को पता चलना चलता है, पहले परेश रावल, फिर ओमपुरी, धीरे असरानी हाथी पे बैठ के आते थे, ठीक है? तो धीरे धीरे पूरे गांव में फैलता है और उसके कुछ 100 टुकड़े हो जाते हैं इवेंचुअली. एंड
बचता नहीं है.
द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज जब वेरिफिकेशन करने आते हैं, दे हैव टू प्रिटेंड लाइक ही इज अलाइव. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी ओल्ड एरा, सो देयर इज नो कोई वेरिफिकेशन नहीं है, कोई वो नहीं, फेस स्कैनर नहीं है कि हुज एंथनी.
बस एक चश्मे लगा के.
आधार कार्ड नहीं था.
But I have a question. Do you all remember who played Anthony?
No.
No.
So now, as I was reading trivia section of this movie for this podcast, and Tiku Talsania has dubbed for this character. Malamal ho gaya. So for a long time, I thought it's Tiku Talsania because this actor is not a Hindi actor who plays. But laade lag gayi. That sound of Tiku Talsania is in the movie. So for a long time, I thought Tiku Talsania is playing this guy, and you see him also very less in the movie, ना?
हाँ.
शुरू में आते हैं, फिर मर जाते हैं,
Correct,
फिर उनकी बस बॉडी इधर उधर ले जाते रहते
हाँ, I'm
हैं.
trying to recollect the face. Who's the actor?
But like I'm sure क्योंकि उनकी आवाज टिकू तलसानिया, you remember टिकू तलसानिया?
25.
Yeah, 25 from Ishq.
25.
और like अंदाज अपना अपना that police officer.
और प्यार किया तो डरना क्या?
Yeah, very-
मुझे आप दोनों को देख के मेरी I can't
No,
say
that
Very
is not.
lovable.
The college principal in प्यार किया तो डरना क्या?
Sorry.
He says the funniest line in that, what he says to Arbaz comes and shouts at him saying कि बच्ची यहाँ पढ़ने आ रही है, माहौल सुधारो. Then yells at the principal. टीकू तलसानिया बोलता है, मुझे आप दोनों को देख के मेरी बहन की याद आ गई. मैं भी ऐसे सबको डराया करता था. मैं भी अपनी बहन से बहुत प्यार करता था, लेकिन एक दिन उसे किसी और से प्यार हो गया और वो घर छोड़ के चली गई. And Arbaz is
He's
like, yo.
carrying him for Salman in that movie. Bro, like just.
Innocent. Okay. Vareed Vekathala.
Yeah. But what I also love about this film is जैसे प्रियादर्शन की जितनी 2000s कॉमेडीज हैं, उनमें जितनी भी सपोर्टिंग कास्ट होती थी, they all are the main leads of this movie. Nobody is the main lead. Usually क्या होता है, जिसका लव एंगल होता है, which is Ritesh Deshmukh in this.
Yeah.
But he's very sidelined. The main heroes are actually Om Puri, Paresh
Yeah,
Rawal,
they are doing the
Asrani, the heavy
yeah,
lifting
yeah,
of comedy.
Yeah.
And
Raima Sen is also in this film.
yeah, Arbaz Khan is also there if you remember. Arbaz Khan.
Arbaz is a great person in a comedy.
Yeah.
As the angry
As
guy.
the confused guy.
Confused or angry. Halchal,
Halchal, he's very good at
Bhagam
Halchal.
Bhag also.
Top in Bhagam.
Even in Dabang, he's good.
Makhi.
Yeah, he's good at Dabang.
He's
Yeah.
innocent.
He's
Yeah.
innocent.
He is innocent. He is innocent.
Yeah.
But like
But a lot of-
Arbaz Khan's biggest contribution to Indian cinema is killing that Thakurain at the end of Mala Mal Weekly.
Contributions.
क्योंकि उनको पता चल जाता है कि ये लॉटरी लगी है और वो आ ही रही होती है और वो बाइक मार देता है और उनका बाइक उछल के ऐसे नदी में गिर जाता है फॉर सम रीजन. इट्स सो लाइक
Because रस्सी वैसे बांधी थी.
Oh, Malamal Weekly must be Priyadarshan only.
yes.
Has to be
Yeah,
Priyadarshan.
मैंने
Yeah,
boards के
that's
बाद
what
गया
कि
था
all
देखने.
the other 2000
Yeah,
Priyadarshan was
yeah.
either the hero was Akshay Khanna
हाँ.
और
अक्षय कुमार.
और इन दोनों में से कोई अवेलेबल नहीं तो फिर कोई नया एक्टर आता जैसे क्योंकि सलमान.
Yeah.
वेरी रैंडम
Yeah.
इन अ प्रियदर्शन फिल्म.
Very random movie.
One flew over the boy's nest.
I went to watch this play in NCPA.
yeah,
And
production.
one of my friend, one of my friends Sufyan is.
Yeah, I know. Everyone
So I met him, he's
Sufyan
like-
Junaid, shout out.
So I met him, he's like, कैसा लगा? मैं बढ़िया भाई, but झटका मारे नहीं चला इसमें, which is my favorite song in that story. Sorry.
Also, Rimi Sen's death is very weird as a plot.
Some swimming pool thing or something
Oh, yes.
like that.
तुम्हें पानी
क्योंकि
से
it's a
डर
weird
लगता है?
movie.
तुम्हें
Yeah.
डर लगता है? ये लो फेंको
Yeah,
पानी में डाल देता है.
It's the classical भेड़िया शेर आया और पहले दो बार कोई मानता नहीं है.
Correct.
तीसरी बार शेर
correct.
डूब जाता है.
And like the song also like क्या जान लोगे हमारी सनम. And
Foreshadowing
the
again.
song ends and he drops her in the swimming pool.
Yeah.
Legit.
It's quite.
Fucked up.
Okay, we are Malamal Weekly क्योंकि आपके दिल में रहते हैं.
Now I like.
Hand up.
Yes.
I have too many. I'm
Okay.
thinking.
दोनों हाथ ऊपर कर ले.
I'll go with one mainstream, one not so mainstream,
Sure.
okay, which is like a recommendation / weird. I think very weird plot, but brilliantly pulled off is Judai.
Oh yes.
Okay, it's a classic. Anil Kapoor classic.
Anil Kapoor is a
हाँ,
genre. in
it's
this.
beautifully. It's about too many things, na? मरते मरते दिल दे दिया, दिल दे दिया. We'll keep singing. हाँ, till. हाँ. Okay.
Sorry,
But
yeah.
plot recap for people who I don't know who hasn't seen this movie, please do.
Normal people.
Judai is basically Anil Kapoor and Sridevi are this very lower middle class married couple. Sridevi is the classic tutu meme type. She's like, मुझे पैसे चाहिए, मुझे पैसे चाहिए. Anil Kapoor is this very straight, proper,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I will be honest and noble. He's basically Om from Om Jai Jagdish, but in Judai.
Yeah.
And
नाम ले लिया.
and now Urmila comes. Urmila's like this US return who's like, hello. Like she has only
How
one.
are you?
Hello.
Yes.
And she instantly, for some reason, falls for Anil Kapoor. This happens with
They
Anil
work
Kapoor.
together something, na? I think.
He
Yeah,
works for
he's
her, he
her
works for her
employer.
uncle. He works for her uncle.
Oh yeah, money वहीं से आएगा ना? याद आ रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा.
She's not rich.
हाँ.
Anil Kapoor is working for her uncle.
Saeed Jaffrey is.
Saeed Jaffrey, who can pull off rich people. Saeed Jaffrey can only look rich.
He is a rich man.
yeah.
वो है रही.
Yes.
Okay. So now Urmila Matondkar has fallen, but oh shit, Anil Kapoor is married. What to do? What to do? Easy answer, buy him. So she goes to Sridevi and she's like, खरीद लेती हूँ ना तुम्हारा husband. तुम्हें पैसे चाहिए, मुझे अनिल चाहिए.
Yeah.
And she's also like, I'll share him also. I don't mind sharing him. So we can all live like one happy family together. Then she buys him. She literally
I
buys
remember
him.
this.
There's a briefcase of money
Yeah.
exchanged.
1 crore, no. 2 crore, yes.
2 crore, yes, is husband.
That is the deal.
Huh. And gradually you notice a shift in dynamics. Now Sridevi has become this kitty party jaungi. I'll carry a dog with me.
Money has
Yeah,
gone to
yeah,
her head.
Money
Gone
has
to
gone
her
to her
head.
head because of course women greedy and all that whatever.
Yeah.
And Urmila
She's so
Matondkar,
good.
she's so good.
Sridevi is.
I'm
Sridevi
so
was.
team Sridevi in that film.
No, I'm just saying, such a silly character. Such a
Yeah,
silly
yeah.
character.
The conviction.
With the performance.
Yeah,
My
yeah,
God,
yeah.
man.
It's
She
so
was a
good.
real
Yeah,
icon.
yeah. Too good.
Icon.
Too good.
Ah.
So she basically money goes whatever. She becomes rich,
Hmm.
but there's a flip. Now she becomes the model whatever, and
Yes.
Urmila Matondkar becomes this. वो रो रहा है वो आंसू लेके ऐसे
She's
मांग पे
cosplaying.
डाल-
She's
पागल हो जाती है।
cosplaying Sanskari.
Yeah, she's lost.
She's cosplaying
I
it.
remember this.
Yeah.
आंसू पी लेती है उसका ना.
69 Sindoor.
Yeah. And then now the children have also flipped. Children are like, Urmila is my mummy. And then Sridevi is left alone. so it's a
so she's
lesson learned for Sridevi over a period of time कि fuck पैसे मिल गए but husband और बच्चे
Yeah,
चले
It's
गए.
lonely.
प्यार
It's
नहीं,
lonely up at the
प्यार
top.
नहीं.
you
हाँ,
know.
it's lonely up at the top. PC also learned in Aetras. It's lonely up at the top.
It's lonely up at the top of
Justice for
stacks
PC
of 2
also.
crores.
Yeah. Now in the end what happens is Urmila is, can we spoil it for people? It's fine.
No, it's not a whodunit. It's fine.
Not a
It's
whodunit,
okay.
huh?
It's
ठीक
clear.
है, ठीक है, ठीक है.
हाँ.
So now Urmila is, she's leaving with Anil Kapoor. She's like, we'll all go and live in the US. Sridevi does a classic Bollywood, मैं airport आके अपने पति को जीत के जाऊंगी. But now because she's learned her lesson, she's back to wearing plain simple saree and all. She's not wearing cool घाघरा.
कुत्ता छोड़ दिया
कुत्ता
सड़क
छोड़ दिया,
पे.
सब छोड़ दिया.
वो उठा के ले गए. MCD वाले ले गए.
वापस normal.
दिल्ली में शेल्टर में पड़ा है वो.
And she said, मुझे पैसे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, मुझे बस मेरा पति और बच्चे वापस दे दो. And they're like, okay. And they go back to her. And Urmila is like, I'm fine because I'm preggers with Anil Kapoor. So I have little baby Anil with me. So I'm
yeah.
happy, I'm good, I'm fine.
मैं
हाँ.
हमेशा याद कर इसको देख के
Yeah.
अपने पार्टनर को याद करूंगी. इस
Okay,
बच्चे
so-
को.
I couldn't.
हाँ.
Wow.
The fact that they could pull this off. It's
Yeah.
a woman selling her husband. That's the weird plot
Yeah.
line.
Feels
right?
like a South Indian remake. It definitely is. I बता दो ना अगर होगा तो.
who is- which
But it
remake?
feels like one of those वो plots जो बन रहे थे तमिल में उस era
All
में.
these like again क्योंकि बधाई हो बधाई is also a remake. Sorry, not बधाई. The हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं. रहते हैं या फिर पास है?
हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं. Pass है is an original.
Original.
वो
Okay,
original
sorry,
है.
my bad.
हाँ.
Satish Kaushik all movies are remake.
सतीश हाँ ये तेरे नाम मेरे
Yes,
नाम
yes,
all of
yes.
them.
तो sorry random. I love शादी से पहले directed by him. Random.
Are you
movie.
talking about the
Akshay
Aisha
Khanna
Takia star?
Akshay Khanna and
Fardeen Khan,
2000
Aisha Takia.
No, Akshay Khanna. 2006. Akshay Khanna's string of comedies, one of this.
शादी से पहले.
Sorry, segue. हाँ, but
हाँ, okay, yeah, no, I just wanted
Must
to.
be a weird movie.
उसमें he's in marketing with I can't forget this line with Rajpal Yadav and he's writing ads कि मैंने तुझसे प्यार किया तेरे बाप ने मुझको पीटा तन की शक्ति मन की शक्ति बॉर्नविटा. Yeah, it's one of those. Sorry, coming back मैं को याद आ गई थी एक और weird
शादी से
again
पहले.
very weird subplot we can discuss
हाँ,
later.
can
बिल्कुल.
discuss,
शादी से पहले याद आ गया मेरे को. I was confusing it with शादी number 1. दिल नहीं तोड़ा करती.
That's a different. That's a last number one of David Dhawan, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अभी आएगी एक और बेटे के साथ.
आ जाएगा इसका रीमेक।
I don't mind it coming. हाँ. So yeah.
आप ही promote करोगे, sir?
मैं तो डिपेंड्स
Podcaster number 1.
पॉडकास्टर नंबर 1, फिल्म बफ नंबर 1।
मैं वरुण धवन को मिलूंगा और पूछूंगा भाई डेविड धवन की फेवरेट फिल्म बताओ। मैं तो ये करूंगा। मैं आप ठीक है बट 90s की बताओ आप।
ओके,
Yeah, so mine is Judai,
हाँ.
and the weirdness is self-explanatory. Husband को भेज दिया weird थोड़ा take on.
premise ही weird।
हाँ, मतलब
इसको-
commodity boy को commodity बनाना pretty
बहुत गलत
मजा
बात।
आ गया मुझे देख के। Like, it's too fun. It doesn't happen in other movies.
तुम्हें लैक ऑफ पेट्रियार्की तुम्हें वियर्ड लग रही है इसमें।
But it comes back to patriarchy. It's very loyal.
Yeah,
it comes back.
it comes,
Like,
but
it's
for a
not-
for a small
Yeah.
period.
For a small period, the
She
man is
learned now a
objectified।
lesson. She learned her lesson. Paise is not important. So yeah, then I have one more, but we'll do one more. Like if you all have other, I have more bubbling up.
But we'll go to another question here।
Again,
Okay,
it's the
okay.
same era only of Anil Kapoor.
Okay.
Same era, he's in
99
his
to
zone.
2002, something happened to him. I think 99 to, I think he was transitioning and thinking, क्या करे
Yeah.
अब?
This is
Yeah.
right after you've seen Loafer and all।
No.
He had a era where he used to play a tapori।
Yeah,
You know that? Wow,
Late
that's-
80s, na?
हाँ,
Late 80s. One with Yash Chopra
There's
also, I
one where
think.
there's one where he legitimately, I think, sexually assaults Juhi Chawla, and she's a good girl there, and then she falls in love with him, and then she
What is
wants to
wrong
marry
with the
him, and then they
90s,
get
yeah.
married.
This is
I-
late 80s. This is not 90s.
I may be wrong. I think the film is called Loafer.
Okay,
I think the film is
possible.
called Loafer. देख लो, बता दो
मत
गलत हो तो, but
देखना.
गंदी।
Let's ignore it.
Yeah, but
ये
there
नहीं
was
देख-
it was a weird era. It was a weird era. For sure.
Even the एक कौन सी फिल्म है जिसमें वो गाना है मैं मालगाड़ी तू धक्का लगा अरे विद जूही चावला
जूही
only
चावला, हाँ वही है। it's about-
apparently Juhi Chawla cried on the sets and all कि what are you
making me do?
Another song
This is
दो
अपना chairman, this man पहलाज।
हाँ, पहलाज नहलानी's movie.
पहलाज
पहलाज
नहलानी।
Respected.
and the second song is खड़ा है
खड़ा है,
which
खड़ा है,
is
which
not
he's also- he
Very
also
disrespected।
Same movie,
पहलाज
same
He
नहलानी।
movie.
also spoke about that song being
That
some
was,
some are very obviously absurd and weird
हाँ.
/ fucked up and cringe.
Yeah,
And then
I think
some
80s were
interesting.
in general weird,
Yeah.
but some people, some actors took time to come out of 80s. Like they were trying
Yeah.
to do the same movies in 90s.
Yeah.
They didn't realize Shah Rukh, Salman, Amir are gonna work better
Things
now.
have improved now and we
वो
don't do
पहले
this
से
in-
प्रोडक्शन में चल
Correct.
रही हैं और रिलीज हो रही हैं कि भाई ये क्या हो रहा है like
Correct,
early
correct,
90s
correct.
is that era.
Correct.
The second question I think we should get into
जी
is कोई weird tropes जो पहले थे
हाँ.
फिल्मों में
That we
जो
missed
अब नहीं है।
हाँ.
Which weird trope that existed in slightly older films would you like to make a comeback
Yes,
in contemporary films?
for Punarjanam, all in for
Oh
Punarjanam.
man, that's my answer too. But yeah,
And
please,
like
we all are on Punarjanam.
favorite Punarjanam movies.
Karan Arjun.
Karan Arjun and Om Shanti Om for
Om
me.
Shanti Om.
Om Shanti।
Oh,
Guys,
that's the
basically,
last time they did it like so convincingly.
Yeah.
उसके बाद हुआ भी है पुनर्जन्म
नहीं,
किसी का नहीं हुआ ना?
What are the big ones? Let's list them out. There's Hamesha,
Oh, I love Hamisha. Yeah.
Saif, Aditya Pancholi,
Hamisha.
Oh, I haven't seen this.
Kajol.
Kajol,
I need to
Saif,
watch it.
Aditya
Aruna
Pancholi.
Irani. Very scary Aruna Irani.
Saif, it's a lover's point से गिरा देता है आदित्य सैफ को, and then he comes back as a lover.
What year is this?
Oh, 90s.
Ole Ole era.
तभी
Ole Ole.
no wonder.
So basically, Saif Ali Khan and Kajol love each other. But Aditya Pancholi is thoda ठरकी vibe. So he's like, but I like Kajol. So he
Aditya Pancholi's
Kills.
character
He's-
is थोड़ा ठरकी
sure
vibe.
he kills
maybe okay. Yeah.
he kills Saif. And then Kajol like, you killed Saif, I'll also die. So she also jumps off. There's this
Oh,
lovers
then
Like a Hamesha.
But Nainital type place
Hamesha.
it is. So they jump, okay? Now, but they've taken rebirth. He's old now, cut to like 20 years later. He's old, they are 19, 20.
Like Mikey. Call me Mike. Yeah.
That's-
He's that old. He's in that age. He's
Oh,
in that age.
fish.
Yeah. And now Kajol and Saif, it's again the same thing happens. But now how do they escape and how does their love conquer all and all of that
So
happen?
no, they get reborn,
Haan.
and
And
now
Aditya Pancholi is falling for young Kajol, so it's very creepy. Yeah.
he should have died by then. But okay. नहीं तो they grow up and now the problem is he still likes her.
He's like, मुझे यही चाहिए.
अरे यार.
Yeah.
हाँ, ये फिर से आ गई। पहले 20 थे, अब ये 20 है, but 40 में भी सर को 20 चाहिए. So that is the basic math.
Basic
of
math.
this.
And
The
And they
math.
remember
I need to watch
everything.
this.
Saif
Your
and
hand-
Kajol will remember everything.
You were saying Om Shanti Om.
Om Shanti Om is my favorite from the recent मतलब
हाँ,
ओम शांति ओम
अभी
को भी
मधुमती and all पे
18
जाएगा।
साल हो गए हैं ओम शांति ओम को भी, बट
my
मधुमती एंड कर्ज इज
Same.
ओम शांति ओम,
हाँ,
लाइक
base.
मधुमती प्लस ओम है
कर्ज।
ना,
Yeah.
तो दैट एंड करण अर्जुन आई लव अ
I love.
लॉट
You went?
यार। आई मिस्ड, मैं पंजाब गया हुआ
I
था
went,
और
हम
5
नाचे।
दिन,
हम पागल हो गए इतना ना,
यार
भंगड़ा
5
पाले
दिन में हट
पूरा
गई
झूम।
यार, मेरे को जाना था
It was a real experience.
भंगड़ा
I'm
पाले।
sure it's emotional, that film.
It's good. Rebirth is nice because retribution का मौका मिलता है.
हाँ,
The
हाँ,
revenge is sweeter. The stakes
yeah,
are
yeah,
higher.
yeah.
Because फिर तुम
And my favorite part is people getting shocked to see he's still alive. In every movie. So like, oh wait,
हाँ.
there's that point
Ashok Saraf. I want to be a fly on the wall, which is an Ashok Saraf. You know, who's
saw a
just
picture
there
of
saying,
him.
you know, just be a ठाकुर तो गए हो, दूर से देख
दूर
लो
तो
character.
गया।
What I also like about Punarjanam is when they're reborn, their relationship loyalty is with the previous life people only. So for example, Karan
Yeah.
Arjun fucks
They
their
somehow
real
find
mom.
where they live.
हाँ, they're like यही राखी
हाँ.
मेरी माँ है.
सपने आ जाते हैं ना.
सपने, हाँ.
सपने
In
हैं.
सपने में
inverted.
गूगल मैप ऑन हो जाता है।
बहुत पसीने आते हैं रात
यहाँ
को.
से इधर।
Just a lot
Hey,
of.
dude, have you all seen Coolie? There's a similarity between Coolie and Karan Arjun.
Please
Wait.
tell us.
So Coolie में ना, the whole movie, the villain, like minor spoiler I think, the whole movie villain keeps saying to Rajinikanth, I've seen you somewhere यार, याद नहीं आ रहा, and eventually जब उसको याद आता है उसने कहाँ देखा है, तो inverted flashback चलते हैं, and it's like 30-40 years back, जैसे इनको inverted flashback नहीं आते,
हाँ, correct.
उसके तलवार लेके आ रहे हैं वो दोनों दुर्जन जो
बहुत
भी
powerful है वो,
तो वो इन्वर्टेड फ्लैशबैक अभी कुली में जब चलता है, अनिरुद्ध का म्यूजिक वगैरह है, इट बिकेम एन रियल ट्रेंड नाउ, पीपल आर डूइंग इट विद डिफरेंट थिंग्स,
Oh, love it.
कि डॉन के एंड में प्रियंका को वो बोलता है मुझे जंगली बिल्ली पसंद है, एंड देन शी रियलाइजेस, देन फ्लैशबैक्स आते हैं इन्वर्टेड में दूसरे डॉन के, तो इट्स बिकम अ ट्रेंड नाउ, बट इन्वर्टेड थिंग वाज सच अ, लाइक द फर्स्ट टाइम वी सॉ इट
Was there?
was there, yeah.
Magadira did a very good reincarnation, very big
Oh
Telugu
yeah,
film.
Magadira, yeah.
Magadira,
हाँ.
and then apparently I think they bought the rights to remake it, where it's like a contemporary urban love story,
Yes.
but then it finds its root in like warrior times, so it cuts between Bahubali and
like
Cocktail.
Rabta.
That's what I'm saying.
People thought it's the remake of Magadira.
But there was buzz.
That
There was
na?
buzz ki it
Yeah,
is,
yeah.
Achha,
but like it was not a very faithful. It was a weak adaptation.
Got
Like
it,
it
weak
was.
got it.
Even Makhi
Jim
also
Sarf
is
was
double
very good though.
second जन्म only ना, हाँ
Love
जिम साहब,
Makhi.
अच्छा, मक्खी में भी तो मक्खी बन के पैदा होता है 2 जन्म,
हाँ वैसे मान तो सकते हैं मक्खी ऑन अ टेक्निकलिटी, ये वाला पॉइंट तो मानना पड़ेगा हमें, मक्खी पुनर्जन्म है.
बट कमिंग बैक टू लाइक करण अर्जुन, व्हाई आई लव इट आल्सो, एक तो लाइक दे डू इट वेरी कन्विंसिंगली कि धरती का सीना झाड़ फाड़ के आएंगे, वो सब है, एंड मतलब इट बिकेम सच अ ट्रेडमार्क फॉर राकेश रोशन की व्हेन कहो ना प्यारे रिलीज, आई थॉट ऋतिक जो वापस आ रहा है वो उसका पुनर्जन्म है, बिकॉज यू एक्सपेक्ट ना,
कि फिर से आएगा.
और मैंने सुना उन्होंने पहले भी की है केस है बहुत फिल्में करण अर्जुन से पहले, जिनमें 1-2 पुनर्जन्म पहले भी हुए हैं, आई हैवंट सीन
Love
दोस.
it.
he's prior to Karan Arjun is कोयला.
कोयला नहीं,
कोयला में वो डाल
80s
देना.
वगैरह में पहले किया
हाँ,
है.
खून भरी मांग.
Maybe.
Love,
It's a
love,
he
Punarjanam.
doesn't, sometimes he does Punarjanam, sometimes he does almost मर गया बंदा but comes back
Yeah.
to life.
Which is
you
how
think he's dead.
Punarjanam.
खून भरी मांग is closer to कहो ना प्यारे.
Oh, yeah, that
because
way.
he thinks कि भाई crocodile
बहुत
खा
लोग बोलते हैं
गया.
उसका सर पत्थर पे लगा और फिर वो निकल के स्विम करके चला गया अमेरिका और वहाँ से-
न्यूजीलैंड.
न्यूजीलैंड सॉरी,
चश्मे पहन लिए पहले.
क्योंकि वो दिखाया है उसको, बट शुरू में ये भी आई थिंक यही चीज प्रूव करने के लिए शुरू में बता दिया कि उसको स्विमिंग नहीं आती, व्हेन अमीषा पटेल
गिरेगा
सेव्स
तो
हिम.
मरेगा.
आई थिंक राइटिंग रूम में बोलोगा कि सर व्हाट इफ पीपल थिंक कि ये वही
Also,
है.
he would be insane if he did that also.
या आई मीन नॉट दैट फार.
He doesn't give a fuck about his brother.
वो बैठा हुआ है वहाँ पे भाई, वो घर पे बैठा
इतना
छोटा
स्विम
भाई.
नहीं किया होगा, आई थिंक एयरपोर्ट के पास तक किया होगा, फिर फ्लाइट लेके गया होगा.
पर छोटे भाई को बोल तो देता भाई, वो मुर्दा बैठा
मतलब
हुआ
वो
है.
बेचारा
मुर्दा
वो बैठा हुआ है
बैठा हुआ है घर
and when
पे.
Amisha comes back, he
Emotionally
refuses
dead
to
guy.
recognize her and all. नहीं तो
ये सब हो रहा है भाई.
there's another trope which I miss, which I think we're not doing well, or we're not doing only. I miss like this twins thing, like कुछ खट्टी कुछ मीठी. All I've seen कुछ
कुछ
खट्टी.
it's कुछ
Is it
कुछ
Kajol
मीठी.
ना?
Sunil
Yeah.
Shetty.
It's like Parent Trap but like older parent trap.
Oh.
And it's just fun. to
Dude,
see.
but very sad Kajol double role movies.
Dushman.
Dushman.
Oh.
I-
उसमें
that's very
आशुतोष
sad.
राणा rapes and kills
चिट्ठी
one था.
चिट्ठी ना कोई संदेश.
Eh, that's too sad. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, it also had a very good romantic song between Sanjay Dutt, blind Sanjay
Yeah,
Dutt,
yeah.
boxing coach, and Kajol.
Sanjay Dutt is in Dushman?
Yeah,
Yeah, he trains her to get
He's her
revenge from
lover.
He
Ashutosh
later,
Rana.
अच्छा,
हाँ,
हाँ,
love it.
There's a very good romantic song. It'll come to me later and I'll tell you guys.
I feel I haven't seen second half of Dushman. I was too
Acha,
sad.
that's why it's you have to
We were very young when
Wait
we
for the
no,
revenge.
but it's too sad
Yeah.
after
Gokul.
that. After she dies, एक तो पहले ही वो भी प्यारा गाना है, आवाज दो हमको खो गए.
That's the romantic song.
उसमें it's not Sanjay Dutt. It's some
That's-
new actor. I was watching this song last week for some
Yeah,
reason.
that's the other
No,
love.
no, you're talking about Jas Arora.
Jas Arora.
Jas Arora. Jas Arora is with
I
one
love how
sister.
we all know which song.
हाँ, ठीक है। मैं जब बचपन में हमने म्यूजिक सिस्टम लिया था तो हम दिल्ली में हम सीपी में गए थे तो मैंने बोला कैसेट चाहिए तो दोनों बोला कौन सा कैसेट है लाइक ये वाला देना अंकल छोटा था टिंग 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 that's how he gave me that song.
Falguni Pathak, na?
No, Jas
Nah,
Arora
nah.
with Malaika Arora.
हाँ
okay,
it's
okay, We'll get it, we'll get it.
पैसे बच गए शराबियों के पैसे बच गए is all I remember.
No, we'll get it. We'll get it.
ओहो शराबियों के पैसे बच गए आए हाय
Eh, no, 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 no,
Gurgaon
no,
Ishq में था.
हाँ,
Yes, finally
it's
the
a
hook line.
Babbu Man type Gurdas Man or someone big only
Yeah, it's some Punjabi singer. It's not them. हाँ.
Yeah.
it's not
But usually,
you have to clarify you have authority
I am Punjabi.
enthusiast.
correct
But usually,
Twins.
like twins were shown as थोड़ा comedic trope, ना? It was always
Yeah.
like जुड़वा और कुछ खट्टी कुछ
worst
मीठी
twins
सीता और
movie
गीता.
worst twins movie
Worst twins film. Worst. I तो like
Dhoom 3
हम शक्ल्स.
Dhoom 3 Prestige.
Dhoom 3
हम
Dhoom 3
शक्ल.
the portrayal
हम
of
शक्ल
Hum Shakal's worst
हम
actually.
शक्ल
Worst
wins.
है.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it's not. It's thrin.
कुछ और ही.
Some
Twins
triplets.
Thruple
Yeah.
तीन
Yeah.
into
जो भी
तीन
होता है.
वो भी
हाँ,
ऐसा
no
full cube.
3 square 4 square राम कपूर भी तो है
Oh.
हाँ,
राम कपूर भी
है,
4
राम
है
Yeah. Now that I.
Ram-
But
Yeah, that's a
Dhoom
bad.
3 is the.
that thing was very
It's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad.
I was very impressed, to be very honest, because I didn't see it coming. Ki, acha, he's the other Amir. He's
It's a
pretending to be.
remake, na?
हाँ and then he does the
Acha, I'm talking about that scene. I was impressed, not the
अच्छा,
movie.
अच्छा, अच्छा, अच्छा. It's
That-
a remake of the Prestige, na?
मतलब very
Same track.
अंश उठाए हैं कुछ
हाँ.
ऐसे
अंश
वैसे.
उठाया
Magic
but
trick same है.
don't insult prestige is what I'm saying but don't
Sorry,
acknowledge कुछ लिया है
Yeah,
but क्यों
bad
prestige
twin
को क्यों लपेट रहे
Bad twin film.
bad twin film Dhoom 3
Dhoom 3.
Good
और-
twin films are what? Basically, you have to show थोड़ा extreme
What is the
juxtaposition.
first like memory of like मेरे को तो जुड़वा ही याद है
हाँ,
टीवी पे
जुड़वा
बहुत
मेरी.
आती थी
सीता और
यार.
गीता. सीता और गीता is my memory.
और इधर भी था yeah
Duplicate also.
Duplicate.
songs के लिए I think we would
Maybe.
again
Duplicate was a
banger
good
albums.
film because you can describe both character arcs in just 2 sounds na it's Babalu Mannu बस दोनों
Background
character-
score does the
दोनों
job.
characters just the way you say the names na
Yeah,
that's how we pitch the characters also Babalu Mannu over Babalu Mannu Babalu Bamnu Dada just over
I think that's where जुड़वा lacked because उनमें दोनों का ये था. That's the.
Iconic
Bablu
sound.
immediately. My favorite scene in Duplicate, in fact, is when Mannu is pretending to be Bablu. Bablu as Mannu is still cute. Mannu as Bablu is a
He's angry.
and all
गीता
ये.
चलाते डांटने लगते हैं.
For example, क्या दाढ़ी मार क्या and he's like माँ and she slaps him. माँ कब बुलाता तुमको? Bebe and all he does.
Oh, yeah,
is
yeah, he
sinister,
gets slapped, I remember
Sinister Bebe. It's so scary.
So yeah, you
bad.
get trope of like
A
a
trope.
weird plotline trope that you miss.
A weird plot line.
So we've done Punarjanam, we've done twins.
double role में there's Jawan also from recent movies.
Oh, good one, good one.
Yeah.
Baap beta vibe.
Yes, and from the weird trope, I think like people coming back from dead is also that. And Punarjanam में I thought of a movie, Krishna Cottage. Do you remember?
मेरा प्यार भी बेपना है और इंतजार भी तेरा ही है भाई.
It's her second janam, right?
Oh, yeah. They have been lovers.
Yeah, and this is also a very niche 90s Salman movie called Suryavanshi,
Yeah.
where
Golden hair.
Golden
Oh,
is
I've
Thor
not seen this.
look.
Thor look.
Thor look.
Highlander kind of Thor.
Yes.
Thor, हाँ.
Where
वो थी सोनम.
no,
The actress?
the old actress was Yeah, Sonam नहीं, Salman's first.
Somi Ali.
Somi Ali,
Somi
first
Ali.
first
Somi Ali.
girlfriend.
Salman's first
Girlfriend.
Salman's first.
प्यार.
मेरा
She's
पहला
the
प्यार.
present time girlfriend. The पिछले जन्म वाली is Sara Ali Khan's mom. Wow, I'm saying.
Amrita Singh. Oh my God, what days!
चमेली की शादी fans assemble and assassinate
Attack.
Pulkit in the comments.
Kalyug also, Kalyug. She's there in Kalyug, Amrita Singh.
Oh, I've heard.
That was a comeback.
She's the main madam.
She's the madam.
जो smiley
The
smiley
best.
है.
But she's वो कुछ केव में जाते हैं फिर remember और वहाँ पे मूर्ति होती है या पेंटिंग होती है अमृता राव की and they're just fascinated और वो फिर वो बाहर आ जाते हैं and she wants to take her now in this जन्म क्योंकि they're like बहुत पुराने कुछ रानी महाराजे की कहानी है वो भी
I missed this,
I
yeah.
have a twins movie.
हाँ, tell.
Which
when Suryavanshi this released Akshay Kumar 1 तो you know वो सब jokes हुए थे
वो
watching
आते थे उसके
Suryavanshi
लिए पूरा watching Suryavanshi. There was a movie that was India's official entry to the Oscars
Whoa.
a few decades ago.
double role
बताओ 5 तक गिनूंगा मैं.
it didn't get
या एक
nominated for sure ना
Of
it
course.
didn't get
तक.
nominated
भेजी तो थी हमने वहां से
भेजते
आ
तो
रहा है
रहते ही
वहां
हैं।
से आ रहा है.
भेजी थी
देखो पूरी दुनिया घूम सकते थे कोलंबस की तरह.
what is this
Why am I
movie
not getting this?
अरे
Give
तुम बड़े
point.
अजीब किस्म
Give
के
my
अजूबे
point.
हो तुम लोग.
अजूबा
नहीं गाना अजूबा है. पिक्चर का नाम है जीन्स.
Jeans. Hey, you said
Oh.
recently and all.
No, a few decades ago बोला यार
Okay,
मैंने.
okay,
We
I
had
know
to
that.
2000 ना जीन्स
at least 25 साल पहले तो है.
It was
It was sent
India's
for
official
Oscars.
entry to
We
the
had sent it for VFX. We had said हमारा VFX
डबल रोल कर लिया
because उसमें वो एक hologram बनाते हैं of Aishwarya's make believe twin because Vishu and the other fellow
The other Vishu.
the other Vishu and Ammu or whatever, they can only marry twins. That was a crazy story.
Yeah, I
Nasir
I've
is
seen
twins. They get married to non-twins और एक बीवी अजीब निकलती है. तो ही इज लाइक मेरे बेटे सब कुछ इक्वल दूंगा उनको. सेम शर्ट, सेम पैसे, सेम करियर, सेम प्यार. बीवी भी सेम ट्विन ताकि इन दोनों के बीच में झगड़ा नहीं हो. अब एक को ऐश्वर्या से प्यार हो जाता है. सो देन दे आर लाइक चलो झूठ बोल देते हैं कि ऐश्वर्या की भी ट्विन है. एंड दे लाइक हाउ यू गोना डू दिस
for the
hologram. They did like some crazy computer generated and there's a whole classical dance section जिसमें
The world would be
hologram
so pleased.
Aishwarya
Hologram,
dances with Aishwarya.
World would be nice, no? With two Aishwarya Rais.
हाँ
I am pro to Aishwarya.
good world
हाँ विवेक और सलमान का झगड़ा भी नहीं होता. No press conference.
no
Oh my
One, two,
God.
one, two.
One, two. One more I have.
yes
Chori Chori Chupke Chupke also has a very weird plot.
Say, did it.
ये लो.
oh yeah
Have you all seen the movie?
it's a
It's
Surrogacy is a good
It's a
trope.
good
It was a
trope, na?
trope.
Yeah,
हाँ.
yeah.
It's a thing that happens in Bollywood.
so there's
ये
this,
दिल
do you all know
क्या
only
करे?
Desi right only Desi you have seen
हाँ.
YouTube पे
हाँ,
there's
हाँ.
this guy who like Kanan Biswai
Reviews,
does
yeah.
तो his review I saw कि पहले उसको बोलते रहते कोई भी बात नहीं करेगा उसके कि यू नो उसका मिसकैरेज हो जाता है कोई बात
Yeah,
नहीं
रानी
करेगा
का,
ऐसे
हाँ.
वैसे एंड नेक्स्ट डे अमरीश पुरी इज लाइक अब तो मेरा पोता होगा लाइक अरे भाई लाइक जस्ट वेट फॉर सम डेज लाइक दे आर मोटिवेटिंग हर कि चलो चलो फिर से करो अब बहुत हुआ
चलो टाइम नहीं है यार.
अभी
जल्दी
healing तो
करो.
होने दो भाजी. अभी
and and it's very weird to see
हल्दी दूध
अमरीश
पिलाओ
पुरी
आप अभी 2-3 हफ्ते भाई.
उसको सोने दो.
अमरीश
Yeah.
पुरी भी सोने को ही बोल रहा है.
it's very weird to see him in kind roles like, he's very
Exactly.
kind in this movie
He's annoyingly kind also.
Yeah.
But when he
he's
is
not.
kind, he is very kind.
yeah
He
yeah,
looks
yeah.
kind.
He's like your प्यारे
You
दादाजी
love him.
ऐसा cute.
He's lovable. He's one of the surrogacy में दिल क्या करे is there
She's not surrogate in Dil Kya Kare technically. So in Dil Kya Kare basically Kajol.
adoption में डालती है.
हाँ, Kajol and
Test
Ajay
tube baby.
Devgan end up banging.
अच्छा.
No.
How do they end up banging जरा
It's
समझाना.
very weird. Have you seen Dil Kya Kare Pulkit?
ट्रेन में जा रही है काजोल.
So basically, they're in a train and some goons come into the train and some
ये दिल क्या
crazy.
करे is the name of the film. Sorry.
Dil Kya Kare it's called.
No, ये दिल क्या करे.
That is
Left को
song.
देख.
अरे ये छोटा सा लिखा होगा ऐसे
हाँ.
पोस्टर
ये.
पे ऐसे कुछ होता था पहले
Okay.
गदर एक प्रेम कथा
This is yes.
टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा भी थी भाई. बहुत
where have we grown in cinema but
Yeah,
yes
yeah, wow. Okay, so basically, Kajol is in a train. Ajay Devgan is in the train, and some goons enter. And it's very dramatic. Like the goons are trying to steal whatever, and they harass her obviously because that's what goons
They
do.
attempt to
They
assault.
attempt to assault her. Ajay Devgan comes in his lanky hero vibes, and he's like, "I'm gonna fuck you guys up." So he beats all these goons up. Now, after beating up, he and her very suddenly from like this really tense assaulty zone moves into a romantic zone. It switches like that in 1 second. So they're in the first class compartment. They bang.
They bang.
They bang.
वो assault हो रही है.
After she's
वो
been
हटाता है लोगों
almost
को.
assaulted, she's like, now I'm feeling little.
Wow.
You
I'm
said.
feeling
ये
emotions
सब
of
तुम.
love and all. So she.
ये हम तो भाई चुप ही रहे हैं. आप ही बता दो ये पूरी
But I'm
story.
saying it as is ridiculous. So
Yeah, yeah.
basically, they bang. Next morning she leaves. She's doing walk of shame and all. She leaves. She says bye to him. I say distance. Say she's like bye bye. अच्छी memory, अच्छी यादें, whatever. Now cut to many years later. Ajay Devgan is married to Mahima Chaudhary and they have a baby. The baby is Kajol's baby because Kajol had to give up the child for adoption.
They adopted.
Oh, मुझे लगा wait, अजय देवगन थोड़ी pregnant हुआ था.
No, Ajay,
How does he
Ajay
have a
Devgan
kid?
adopted his own child.
Without knowing it's
knowing.
his child, of course.
हाँ. और
Now,
चंद्रचूड़ सिंह भी है.
Chandrachud Singh is the sidekick of Mahima Chaudhary.
मतलब he's चन्ना मेरे है.
He's चन्ना
eternally.
मेरे. He's चन्ना मेरे.
Most movies.
दोस्त भी हो
वो इसके
तुम्हारा.
साथ
क्या
वही
कहना?
क्या इसने क्या कहना इसने
हाँ,
क्या
क्या
कहना
कहना.
Yeah.
दोस्त भी हूँ but
So then-
मौका दोगी तो आने को तैयार हूँ.
कूदूंगा मैं फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी में कूदूंगा so that wasn't surrogacy
कभी हमारे साथ भी ट्रेन चढ़ो.
I'll hire
मैं
the
भी बचाऊंगा
assaulters.
लोगों को.
Yeah, and then Kajol comes back and then the plot kind of like thickens over.
Yeah, that is
But, हाँ, that's
surrogacy
not
is bad.
surrogacy.
That's not surrogacy.
Yeah.
That's but should be discussed.
Honestly, even
So eventually what
So-
happens end में?
end में they realize कि Kajol should just leave. She's like मैं sacrifice कर दूंगी अभी तुम
So
लोग
things
की
were
शादी।
good as is. वो वैसे film बन गई.
Unnecessary. हाँ, exactly. Exactly. Unnecessarily she's come on the
Things are good as is. ऐसी फिल्म बन गई है. चोरी चोरी चुपके ना मैंने I don't think देखी है.
वो मैंने बहुत बार देखी
मैंने देखी है.
बहुत बार.
मैंने
You know,
बहुत
but
बार
it's a very, it's an Abbas Mustan movie.
Yeah,
by the
yeah.
way.
Yeah, because
And because they have to be absurd in some way, na? If it's not race. But yeah, because.
So
हाँ.
yeah, Chori Chori you've not seen, which I think we should do.
I don't
we
support
need to watch
Underworld.
it. We need to watch Chori Chori Chupke Chupke. It's very
Chori.
interesting.
is that the towel dance?
No, that's Piya Piya. Oh Piya Piya.
वो कौन
That's
सी
हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा.
Dude, which reminds me because इसमें दो बीवियां हैं उसकी kind of. Again, अनिल कपूर का ही वही time, घर वाली बाहर वाली. You will remember that.
एक तरफ है
एक तरफ है घर
वो वाली मी आला.
तरफ
हाँ, वो एक और legit ऐसा होता है ना अलग अलग फ्लोर पे रहते हैं कुछ ऐसा.
This is a classic sandwich. Sajan Chale Sasural.
Yeah.
All of those.
Sandwich I find funny.
क्योंकि मैं
some
झूठ
scenes.
नहीं
Tony and
बोलता.
Tuk Tuk man.
Oh yeah, absurd movies. Oh, but you know what I love about Sandwich? It is the first comedy movie of Anis Bazmi, but people think it because it released
Released
after
much
No
after,
Entry.
हाँ.
So it is stuck in the time where it was one of the last lead actor movies of Govinda and Ravina की last film है ये by the way.
हाँ और दूसरी कौन?
और नहीं और यहाँ पे अनीस बाज़मी का कॉमेडी एरा शुरू हो रहा था और गोविंदा का खत्म हो रहा था.
हाँ.
So that junction is Sandwich.
He caught.
And like such
Poetic.
funny lines. कि
What
मैं-
is the plot of Sandwich?
Same.
No.
Same as
Two
Sajan
girls
Chale
are
No,
Sasural.
but इसमें funny ऐसा होता है कि how again he gets married to two people because
And
of
then
some
gaslighting them throughout,
मजबूरी.
yeah.
But the problem is उसके दो बच्चे होते हैं दोनों से और दोनों की शक्ल सेम होती है. Now they
Tony and Tuk Tuk.
What?
Tony Tuk. So and now how he gets caught is they both start going to the same school.
Best friend हो जाते हैं.
दोनों best friend और ऐसे कर रहे हैं अरे तू तो ऐसे- मुंह पे हाथ लगा के ऐसा
आप तो-
and you know Sandwich I wanted to talk about this movie in detail man sorry
Yeah. Hey, who's the other? Aarti Chhabria.
no महिमा चौधरी
Mahima and Ravina.
अरे बलमा मेरा बड़ा निकट्टू उस गाने में वो ठीक है
वो तो
Sorry.
जानती हूँ आप क्लासिक गाने.
Sorry नहीं मैंने मेरी गलती मेरी है. गलती मेरी है. हाँ.
So what I love about this movie is कि they address the whole double role thing. For example, so Govinda na is a writer. Now he makes these theories. He's a Bollywood writer जिसकी movie बन नहीं रही है side में.
nice.
हाँ, producer लटका रहा है उसको.
तो producer लटका रहा है. Now he's using his writing skills to make stories around कि why मैं नहीं हूँ वो double दूसरा कोई और लड़का है वो मैं like गोविंदा नहीं है वो.
Ultimate gaslighting.
So he's pretending to have a double role in this movie. It's a single Govinda. Now, but plot twist comes. when ना बेसिक क्या होता है, एक दिन वो पकड़ा जाता है बट टर्न्स आउट एक और गोविंदा आता है और ये रवीना का एक्स लवर होता है जो प्लास्टिक
प्लास्टिक
सर्जरी
सर्जरी
कर
करा के आता है या
नाउ ना एंड बिफोर ऑल ऑफ दिस गेटिंग कॉट ना गोविंदा इतने एफर्ट मारता है बताने के लिए कि मैं नहीं हूँ, वो कोई और है, शेखर है वो, मैं तो राज हूँ, राज शेखर। तो ही मेक्स अ VFX मूवी of himself with himself in a bar and shows it to Ravina and Mahima कि देखो यार हम दोनों की वीडियो बना ली किसी ने, हम बैठे थे। He does this VFX shoot for this double role thing and करिश्मा रवीना बोल रही हैं कि ये and then those Tony Tuk are so smart, वो बोलते हैं 1 मिनट रुको, वो अंदर से DVD लेके आते हैं जुड़वा और डुप्लीकेट की, कहते जैसे ये बनी है वैसे आपकी ये वीडियो बनी है। It's so meta.
Movie, I love it.
It's so meta
ये
about.
delayed release थी ना?
Yeah, this is delayed release.
5-6 साल लेट आई।
You know how you know it's delayed is because No Entry से 1 साल पहले आई, 2005 में No Entry आई। I remember movie years for some reason कि 2005 में No Entry आई, 6 में ये। No Entry में याद है फरदीन खान एक मूवी देखने गया होता है और बहुत हंस रहा होता है, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड गुस्सा हो जाती है कि उसकी 2 बीवी हैं, तुम हंस क्यों रहे हो, सैंडविच प्ले हो रही होती है रिलीज होने से 1 साल पहले। So अनीस पास भी लगी फुटेज कहीं तो यूज करूं, मेरी फिल्म नहीं रिलीज हो रही। So this is what like
but it did well when Sandwich came out।
सैंडविच टीवी पे हिट है,
टीवी पे बहुत बड़ी हिट है।
apparently आमिर खान्स फेवरेट कॉमेडी फिल्म।
Oh my god, so unexpected.
टोनी
so indie यार।
Good one. So Sandwich is a good reco also.
Yes.
Sandwich you got a good reco।
Good one.
Okay, what is the last question for this podcast?
Last question would be like, maybe let's do recommendations only, na? We've not spoken about recommendations.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Let's give one
सैंडविच
reco.
के अलावा
हाँ, sandwich के
Sandwich के
अलावा.
अलावा.
But we have to give one थोड़ा like deep cut, like something that people may have not seen.
Deep cut weird।
oh
Deep cut weird.
mine is not people have not seen but it's good to revisit Tarzan the Wonder Car always
A good one, good one. Lots of people have not seen it.
because it also was a flop apparently and people watched it on TV growing
It
up
did well। Vatsal Sheth is a very like
Aisha Tuck is
and you know what I like मैंने ये देखा कि why we also as kids loved Tarzan so much, very कोई मिल गया vibe। basically a kid being bullied in school, college, instead of school it's college,
father।
and now no father and now उसके भी फादर ने हेल्प की, जादू को तो उन्होंने ही बुलाया था ना फर्स्ट प्लेस,
Last
कंप्यूटर मशीन तो उन्होंने ही बनाई थी।
But UFO लैंडिंग की वजह से मर भी तो गए थे। In a way, Jadu's people killed him।
Oh yes, that's sad. But yeah, so that's why I think so Tarzan में like वही कार बनाने की वजह से ही उसको मारा ना, very similar thing।
But वो दलीप ताहिल की गलती है।
दलीप तायल की गलती है, बट बेसिकली जैसे उसमें जादू बचाता है, मेक्स हिम अ होल कूल गाय, दिस कार मेक्स हिम लुक लाइक अ कूल गाय।
Yeah।
Like
दलीप
he has
छाबड़िया।
a
cool car also.
Yeah, and Aisha Taki also gets impressed, फिर उसका मेकओवर भी कर देती है।
Yeah.
And मतलब
We were big। I was a big Aisha Takia fan, so I went and saw that film।
That's just not surprising.
Yeah.
I just want to say, like,
I thought
what
she
did
was
you
very
like
cute।
about her?
I
Shah?
thought she was very cute, very pretty girl।
She is a good actress also, I think. Door, you all have seen Door?
Yeah।
Good movie.
I
She's
love
good in it.
Wanted. Sorry, nothing to talk about Aisha
ये
Taki
तो
and
चलती
Wanted.
फिरती cocaine है, cocaine is what you said। That is what Wanted
I
did।
think that's a very high level compliment.
ये तो चलती फिरती
चलती
cocaine।
फिरती-
महेश मांजरेकर could just creep out anyone here।
But Tarzan the Wonder Car, one because कोई मिल गया parallels।
Okay।
और पैरेलल ये होता है कि इवेंचुअली वही है ना कि जैसे जादू उसको पावर्स देता है बास्केटबॉल खेलने के, कुछ भी, इसको कार उसके सारे दुश्मनों को मारती है, एलिमिनेट करती है, वो सब चीजें हैं। एंड बेस्ट स्पेशल अपीयरेंस ऑफ अजय देवगन,
Ajay,
ही इज देयर इन द होल फिल्म बट
As
यू
car।
जस्ट सी
You
हिम
don't know?
इन द
As
लास्ट।
दिलीप छाबड़िया अवंती।
Yes.
DC अवंती।
Oh yeah,
DC
Dileep
Oh
Chawla।
my, good one. Tarzan is I think one should watch it again and again.
Yeah,
Totally
yeah.
build
And
the
that
magic.
car is still cool. Like 2007-6
Yeah.
movie. It's still, if I see it on road, I'll be like, "Arre," like
Tarzan
it's still a
wali
cool
gadi,
design.
Yeah.
Amazing।
Yeah.
Amazing।
Yeah.
Okay,
I also have one.
go।
There's a classic movie which I think has a lot of, it's a social commentary also it has, okay? It's called Table Number 21. Have either of you seen
Love
Table
it.
Number 21?
Love it. It's one of those movies 15 मिनट, लास्ट के 15 मिनट में
ये हुआ था क्या?
Yeah,
इसलिए
yeah.
विलन ऐसा बना।
दृश्यम, all those same
And I think
genre.
it didn't get enough due. Like, I think people
Definitely.
need to watch this film because it's very weird. Like, to say the
Yes.
least, it's very weird.
हाँ.
It's basically basic plot. I won't spoil it because it's a beautiful moment when you realize what it's about. But it's basically this like middle class, thoda mild greedy couple who get a ticket to Fiji and they're like, we'll go to Fiji and we'll chill. It's a
Yeah,
party
yeah.
vibes. So they go and then over there they meet this very mysterious guy called Mr. Khan, who's bald, Paresh Rawal.
He's not bald.
He has some ऐसा tattoo ही है.
Diya कुछ
Visibly shady looking.
lightning on bald.
Yeah. Where he's like, basically, I will give you 8 tasks to do. With each task, you will get 21 crores at the end of it if you like succeed in each task. Okay. And now how it kind of happens, what the tasks are, what that kind of reveals about the couple and things like that. And in the end, thoda weird it is. Just letting you all know, it's weird.
It's quite fun. I remember
Fun, very
watching
engaging.
it.
Like when you're watching it. Minus table.
Great.
My recommendation is a movie called Heroes.
मैं मंगया सी मन्नता वे मन्नता. Why do I remember songs of everyone?
Badmash Londe. That is also from this.
It's the Salman Khan is the Sardar in this, right?
It's the greatest cast ever assembled together. It's
Avengers.
Avengers. It's Avengers.
When did this release?
This is a Vatsal Sheth film. I'm going off what you said. You said Tarzan, so I said Vatsal Sheth की मेरे पास 2 और records हैं. One I'll not go into. तो बात पक्की. Just watch it whenever you can. It's Yuvika Chaudhary, Ayub Khan, Tabu, and Vatsal Sheth. But the other film, Sharman Joshi also. But the film I want to recommend is Heroes.
Okay.
Sohail Khan and Vatsal Sheth are 2 good for nothing college guys. जो मतलब they're partying their way through college, थोड़ा American pie, लड़कियों के साथ enjoy कर रहे हैं type. And then suddenly they do something when they meet someone and he's like, एक काम करो, instead of wasting away your youth, ये कुछ चिट्ठियां हैं, ये जाके 6 लोगों को 5 लोगों को deliver करके आओ. And all these wives instead of so ये like whatever bro India trip है यार घूम के आते हैं and चिट्ठियाँ ही तो देनी है चल पहले इसके घर जाना है. So then they go to a table and then वहाँ पे I think it's like Salman Khan, Sanjay Dutt, someone ऐसे all these big hitters are there.
Yeah. They made like they thought of a story जिसपे थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए बस बड़े एक्टर्स का.
हाँ 2 दिन
सर 5 दिन
एक दिन का शूट है सबका.
सर आ जाओ
भाई से 1 दिन निकाला है सारा पनवेल में निकाला है शूट.
Themselves, क्या?
No. They're all playing decorated army officers, or someone who, or like people from the forces, heroes, technically who've either lost family or their limbs or something, and all of them have given up or sacrificed something for the country. So they get sent on a letter distribution journey where they hear the stories of heroes across the
And then
country.
they have an awakening.
And then come back as let's stop whiling our youth away and get thoda serious about life.
इसका जॉनर इज दैट वो क्या बोलते हैं रॉक ऑन ये कौन सा जॉनर होता है यार ये
Coming of age
कमिंग
type.
ऑफ एज
It's like Ferris Bueller's Day On.
आई नीड टू
वो
वॉच
गया उस दिन स्कूल वो.
द ओनली थिंग आई रिमेंबर फ्रॉम हीरोज इज 10 कदम पे आए थे वो प्रमोट करने And उनको 5 मिनट बाद के बोलते हैं ठीक है जाओ अब लाइक दे वर नॉट इवन देयर फॉर द होल एपिसोड आई रिमेंबर दिस
भाई और वत्सल ही तो है भाई वो बंदे का हो गया आई चलो.
Now they come on Big Boss now for these.
You think it was the same day where 10 कदम के पीछे भाई did his cameo?
पॉसिबल है
हाँ, मैं 10 कदम करने जा रहा हूँ यहाँ पे शूट करके आ रहा
लाइक बिग बॉस एंड सिंघम रिटर्न्स
हूँ. He did his cameo वहीं पे.
नहीं सो
It's
like
a
the
green
same
screen.
beard everything
It's the same. It's a green screen.
Yeah.
It's a Sikandar beard also.
Possible, but he's like more than movie sets. He's on Big Boss sets nowadays.
Yeah,
na?
yeah, that's his,
So
that's
that's why people said कि it's looking like वो set से चल के आ गए बस.
Yeah, he's so that interesting. Okay.
Good
So
one.
that brings
Deep
us.
cuts we've given.
We've
These are
done.
legit.
We've done what we had to do. Thank you so much, brother,
Thank you
for
for
joining
having
us.
me. Thank you.
This was amazing. Thank you for having.
yes.
Thank you for being with us.
Conozio, everything.
हाँ नहीं.
Podcast
जब
number 1. Podcast number 1.
बड़े घर के पॉडकास्टर आज हमारे घर आए हैं.
No, but I
हमारा
want to.
सादर प्रणाम.
आशीर्वाद दीजिए.
I want to actually plug. Please watch. I also have a movie podcast.
Oh, please do the
Me,
plug.
Ronak, and Shrija. I saw Ronak's episode also. बाद करेंगे. So please watch it. It's on Netflix called Film Club. 3 episode आ चुके हैं. चौथा अभी shoot होगा.
All the popcorn are fans. Please जाके check out this channel called Netflix on
But
YouTube.
bro,
Netflix करके एक आ रहे हैं अच्छे लड़के हैं.
भाई वो
They
दिन
are
में
up and
5
coming,
चीजें
huh?
डालते हैं. बहुत
हाँ उस क्लटर में जाके भाई को ढूंढो और हमारे चैनल पे जहाँ हम 5 दिन में एक चीज भी नहीं डाल पाते वहाँ पे ढूंढ लेना. नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
Thank you मेरे भाई.
Thank you for having me.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
And cut.